What is this? Huh?
Yeah, the envelope.
If you are reading this, you are already on the right track. Start with the booklet for a brief lesson on writing letters. As you make your way through the story, you will learn the topic for the letter you will write. Mail is delivered almost every day. You might receive a birthday card once a year, but aside from that, you may not have had much reason you think about the mail. There's a picture of the earth.
Yes, that's
Someone
correct.
is upside down.
T-I.
What stamps are there?
Just like that.
Good.